Yeah, so this is one of our newly fully manufactured, let me say, tricycle. Very, very big. This one is very big, and it is drive like a car. So with this, the efficiency is very high. The oil and the diesel or gasoline consumption is very low. So if you buy, you don't need to spend so much money on fueling and all that. It's very effective because our engineers use very high technology to work on this. And if you look at the carriage, I mean the carriage, the basket is very big. It can carry loads of more than 2 tons. You know, a lot of loads. And then you look at the tires, the wheels that are used to produce, you know, very high. So with this one, you can drive it on deserts, you can drive it on muddy environment, or whether the road is good or not good, the machine is very okay to be able to drive in any place. So just call us and then tell us your needs, and we will provide and help you even after you buy from us. And you need any other spare part in your country.